this video, we'll discuss how to get a data engineering job as a fresher. If you're a fresher with zero experience, you might be wondering whether companies hire freshers for data engineering roles or not. The answer is yes. However, it is not easy, and that's exactly why I decided to make this video. In this video, I'm going to walk through 6 important steps that can help you to get your first job as a data engineer. And also, I have covered a bonus point in the end, which will really boost your chance even further. So please watch the video until the end, and without further ado, let's get started. The first and the foremost step is understanding your competitors. So why this is important? Understanding your competitors helps you to gain insights like what level of knowledge you need to gain, what types of skills you need to learn, and the steps you need to take in order to stand out in the job market. Based on my personal experience, as a fresher, you're not just competing with other freshers. You're also competing with candidates who have up to 2 years of experience, which means that 0 to 2 years of experienced candidates are your competitors. The reason for this is, it would take at least 2 complete years to transition from a fresher to an experienced candidate as a data engineer. So now, you might be wondering, why would a company hire a fresher instead of a 2 years experienced candidate? So that's what exactly we are going to discuss in the next step, which is focus on core data engineering fundamentals. Let's break this down a little further. Consider 2 candidates applying for a data engineering role. One has 2 years of experience and has worked with a wide variety of modern data platform tools, but lacks knowledge of core data engineering fundamentals such as data warehousing best practices, strong SQL and Python skills, and a solid understanding of Spark fundamentals. While the other candidate is a fresher who doesn't have much experience with the latest cloud tools but has mastered the core data engineering fundamentals. In this case, companies are likely to favor the fresher over the candidate with 2 years of experience. The reason for this is the modern cloud tools constantly evolve while the core fundamentals remains the same. The other way to put this is, it's okay if you can't answer questions about the latest cloud tools in an interview, but it's not okay to fail at answering a basic SQL question. With this in mind, as a fresher, don't get overwhelmed by the large number of data engineering tools and techniques. Instead, focus on mastering the core components that will serve as the foundation for your career. The next step is the most important one, which is connecting with the right people. Many freshers make the mistakes of seeking advice from highly experienced professionals who are far away from the challenges that you are currently facing. While their advices can be valuable, it might not be the most relevant for someone just starting out like you. Instead, I recommend connecting with people who has recently landed a data engineering role, someone with 1 to 2 years of experience. These individuals are closer to where you are now and can provide realistic advice on what you should focus on and what you can avoid. They have recently gone through the same process you have about to go through now, so they can tell you exactly what worked for them and what didn't. This will guide you in the right direction to land your first job as a data engineer. So the next time you are about to send a connection request on LinkedIn, keep this in mind. Okay, now let's discuss about the next step, which is getting relevant certifications. Certifications can be a powerful tool in your job search, especially if you have no professional experience. This will directly show potential employers that you have the knowledge and skills required for the role, even if you don't have the real-time working experience. Imagine you are an interviewer looking at 2 resumes. One candidate has no experience and no certifications, while the other has no experience but holds a relevant certification. The certified candidate immediately stands out as someone who has invested time and effort into gaining the necessary skills. That can make a big difference in the hiring decision. I can honestly say that one of the key reasons I landed in a data engineering job as a fresher was by earning a data engineering certification. So that's the reason I highly recommend this for any freshers. Here are some of the most popular certifications you can get in the data engineering field. Okay, now let's move to the next step, and this one is the most popular one, which is staying active on LinkedIn. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows this is a great way to get any job as a fresher. But still, there are many who doesn't take this seriously and end up in losing multiple opportunities. If you are one among them, let me help you with this. Here is what you can do. Start posting about your daily or weekly learnings about data engineering. Share anything that you're working on, the challenges you are facing, and any small wins you achieve along the way. This not only helps you keep track of your progress, but also signals to your network that you are serious about becoming a data engineer. I have seen many people land their first job by just being active on LinkedIn. Remember something, it's not just about who you know, it's also about who knows you. So start building your online presence today. Okay, now let's see the final step, which is building your portfolio. This is one of the most important steps that you can take to stand out as a fresher. Your portfolio is a chance to showcase your skills and demonstrate that you know how to apply what you have learned. Start by working on as many end-to-end projects as you can. You can make use of the wide range of free resources available on YouTube and other online platforms to build it. Once you have completed these projects, upload them to the GitHub. A well-organized GitHub profile with detailed project description would really impress the potential employers. So these are the 6 important steps that you need to do in order to get a data engineering job as a fresher. In addition to this, one bonus point which really highlights your profile as a fresher is having your portfolio as a website. You can consider this as an optional one, but it is really effective. In recent days, having a personal website has become quite popular and it grabs the attention of potential employees quickly. It shows that you're passionate about your work and willing to invest time and effort into building your portfolio. There are many free platforms available that let you launch a website in just a few minutes. Plus, they offer a wide variety of free templates to help you build a professional-looking site quickly. You can think of it as your CV, but in a modern, engaging format. Okay, I hope these steps will surely help you to land your first job as a data engineer. It might sound like a lot, but trust me, if you start doing these things now, in the next 6 months, you'll be thanking yourself for the effort. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. See you in another great video. Until then, cheers. Bye.